Hi there, Mary Hurd here with Rent Smart Property Management. One of our defining attributes is that we guarantee our performance. We offer 3 unique guarantees to offer assurance to our clients that their pain points are virtually eliminated. 3 common questions we often get asked. How long does it take to lease my property? What happens if a tenant walks away from the lease? And do I have to allow pets? First, we offer a 21-day guarantee to find you a fully qualified resident within 21 days of rent-ready status, or we'll waive those weekly advertising fees. Here's how it works. Rent Smart Property Management determines the rent rate based on current market conditions, and we make adjustments as needed based on market response. The 21-day marketing window begins when the property is vacant and rent-ready. A lockbox is installed for showing 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and the property must be pet-friendly. If the property is not leased within that 21-day window from rent-ready status, all subsequent advertising fees will be waived. Next, we offer a lease fulfillment guarantee. If a resident does not fulfill their lease obligation, we will work to secure a new resident at no additional charge to you. No advertising fees or lease signing fees will be charged for securing the replacement residents. In a perfect break lease, you will not encounter any disruption in finances. And lastly, our pet damage guarantee. Rent Smart has set the stage for successful, pet-friendly rental properties in Missoula. We're taking it a step further by guaranteeing the interior of your property will not be damaged by any approved pet for any resident that we place. All pets are screened by a national third-party agency. Residents pay us a monthly fee. We cover up to $1,000 in damages covered by the pet. And as an added benefit, because we're heavily invested in ensuring your property is not damaged, we'll do an additional inspection at no charge to you before a lease renewal is offered to check for and address any damages. This guarantee does not extend to ESA, service animals, or any pet that has not been through a screening process. So there you have it, 3 unique guarantees. We're standing behind our service. Let's get together and talk how we can help you have a successful tenancy in your Missoula investment property. Thank you.